Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and I'm back today with another headband wig. I told you guys I have a couple of headband wigs to review for you guys. I have all different textures and curl patterns, so make sure you stay tuned. I hope you guys aren't tired of these wigs, because personally I'm not. That's all I've really been rocking recently. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this video. But before I do that, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. I love to have you. I post videos once a week, sometimes twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. So be sure to tune in and turn your notifications on. So today's video is sponsored by Besthairbuy. So I'm really excited to try on this unit today. This is my first straight unit. Well, technically it's not straight, it is a body wave, but most of the other units that I reviewed so far has been curly wigs. So I'm interested in seeing what this one looks like. So this is what this unit looks like. It's a body wave texture, and this is in 20 inches. You guys know with this headband wigs, it's so easy. Literally anybody could wear them. So I'm gonna do a little challenge for myself. I'm gonna see how long or how fast I can install this wig. Let me go ahead and put my stocking cap back on. And before I install it, I do think I want to lay some baby hairs. However, you guys know this part is optional. I'm going to use some of my extreme wet line gel and just slick a few of them down real quick. Okay dolls, so now that I have my edges laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on. Now I want to say to all my team natural, even though I permed my hair, I am naturally a 4C, and you can still wear this texture hair because I've been wearing this texture hair. Just slick your hair down with some gel and you'll be fine, because I've been rocking it with no problem, but it's just a little easier for me to maintain now that it's straight. Before I begin the timer, I just want to show you the construction of the wig really quick. The wig comes with a black headband with the Velcro tabs. There's one comb in the back with an adjustable elastic band, and there's 3 combs in the front, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer and see just how easy this headband wig is to install. Okay, go. Okay, and I did extra 42 seconds. And I purposely didn't speed. So if you really in a crunch and you really need to head out the door, you can actually finish this quicker. And I am ready to go. That's why these headbands are trending, because the convenience is literally unmatched. Okay, so now if you want to be extra, here I'm calling it extra. If you want to be extra and put on the extra headbands, I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you. Now, this particular vendor actually is giving away 6 headbands, and that's included with your purchase. I know a lot of the other units that I reviewed, you had to pay extra for the headbands, but for this one, 6 headbands are included. I showed you guys what they looked like in the beginning, but I'm gonna go ahead and try them on just so you can get an idea of what some of them look like. But before I even do that, I want you guys to just see just how secure this unit is. I'm gonna do a shake test. I'm dizzy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dizzy. But as you guys can see, the wig's still on. So we good. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and try some of the headbands on. So the first one I'm gonna try is this one. This one caught my eye. I think it's the cutest out of the bunch. There are several like options for you to choose from out of the pack of 6, and this is just the particular one that I chose. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and I just prefer to lift the hair up and then just slide it on like that. And I don't like to show too much of my hair. This again all boils down to your personal preference. If you don't want to show any of your hairline, you don't have to. If you want to show more, you can. Less, you can. Just make it your own. Worn down. She is so cute. She is so cute. Oh wait, gotta add my earrings. She is cute. I added the star earrings, kind of coordinating with my necklace. And yes, I am ready to head out the door. And the best thing about this is that this is a human hair wig. So this means you can actually straighten this. So if you want to wear this straightened, you can. If you want to curl it, you can. Or if you just want to leave it in its regular state of body wave, you can as well. Let me go ahead and just try a couple of the ponytails out for you so you can see what this looks like. Actually, before I do that, let me let you guys see what it looks like from the behind. As you can see, you don't see any tracks. You could wear this in a low pony. She's cute in a low ponytail. If I want, I could put this into a bun. Actually, I'm gonna try a half a pep down. That's cute. Okay, let me go ahead and try a couple of more of the headbands on. So the next headband I'm gonna try on is this cute Star Spangled Banner-ish headband. And I wasn't even thinking, but the stars kind of go with my earrings and my necklace. Don't you love it when a plan comes together? This one is cute. This gives me like, I don't know, like young and flirty. Okay, let me go ahead and try a couple of hairstyles for y'all. So dolls, that's pretty much what the headbands look like that I received. As I mentioned, there are several headbands for you to choose from, so just pick which ones suit your taste. And of course, you can always use your scarves or personal scarves you have at home. Now for the details on this unit. This is the 20-inch body wave. Guys, the best part about this unit is the price. This wig starts at $69 for the 12-inch. So if you don't want your unit too long, you could start from 12-inch or get it longer depending on your preference. The longest this particular one comes in is 20 inches. And if you use my code that I'm gonna put across the screen, you're gonna be able to save 35%, which is gonna bring this exact unit down to around $130. I personally think that if you don't own a headband wig, you should own a headband wig. Now, as I mentioned, the 6 headbands is for a limited time. So if you are thinking about it, don't think too long, just go ahead and grab it, because I did review another unit from this same company and they actually sold out. So If you are thinking about it, go ahead and go pick you up one. I will have the links for everything listed in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all to name this unit. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. And dolls, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And before I leave, I have to give a shout out to my little cousin Jaden. He literally watches my videos every week. And I just want to give a shout out to him because he is like one of my #1 supporters. I really appreciate you, Jaden. Sorry the headband wig ain't for you, but maybe when you get older, you can get one for your girl. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.